Hi, my name is Santos, and I am trying to play Castlevania. Star key, I guess, enter. Alright, it's a little sped up, but I'm actually familiar with this game. Um, alright, I have to use my keyboard, so using the arrow keys. How do I jump? I'm just trying every key combo. Okay, so enter pauses as well. Okay. So, I mean, obviously this is 8-bit. This is, from 1980. This was, the extent of graphics at the time, and it's nothing crazy. But as far as game design, this is actually one of the better games to come out of the day and receives high praise. I know later it got ported to the Nintendo Entertainment System. Um, okay, I found jump. It's S, and then, or it's A, and then D. What's my whip? I know I have. Oh, okay, so it's A and Z. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, so the hearts are. Oh, okay, I just got an upgrade. Got another upgrade. Nice. More hearts. And hearts are for your actions. Yep, like the knife, which is actually, if I don't remember how to do it. Is it select? What's select? I'm just trying to figure out what select is right now. Control, Alt. Don't want to quit out of it. But so you're playing right now as Simon Bell. Okay, hitting Control, something happened. Okay, there we go. So you're playing as Simon Belmont. And you're about to go into Dracula's castle. That's what I'll be doing right now. And yeah, this game is notorious for its like infamous knockback like that. It gets people a lot of killed really quickly, really easily. And it being sped up is not helping me. Oh, so I just got holy water, which if I figured out how to use the select button. What is that loud? There's some beeping. It's weird. Oh, I'm on low HP. And yeah, so I just died. It being sped up is not helping me. But yeah, you're fighting like ghouls in Dracula's castle, and if I could get to the end of this level, I have to fight a vampire bat. God, the dog. But yeah, definitely increased difficulty because it was just trying to get quarters out of gamers. That's how most games were back then. But yeah, and then the screen transitions because the machines at the time couldn't continuously load. Oh, so here's the food I was talking about. And then here I have to jump. Oh, actually no, I have to go down there. So yeah, that's one of the problems with this game. Yeah, as a modern gamer, I'm not a big fan of games like this that are just like really hard on the difficulty just because they can be. But yeah, that's just how games were designed back then to get quarters out of gamers, because that's all video games are to this day. Okay, so oh, okay. Well, the great thing is this game has save points, which is very uncommon for games of the day. Usually they just, oh, you died 3 times and they send you back. But these games still have their oh, so here's the boss actually. So if I'm not wrong, if you just go like this, if you just duck like this, I'm pretty sure he can't hit you. There is a strategy I've seen online. So he's gonna swoop into me. So actually I haven't hit him once. This is his health bar up here. Yeah, this is really hard to do without a controller, but there's the end screen, especially on 5 times speed or however quick it is. But I definitely see the attraction to this style of gaming. There's my score up at the top, even though the S is cut off, and actually these letters, that's player enemy. Um, killing enemies gives you score, and then these are your hearts or your ammo for using the item. And if I figured out what select was, I would be able to use it and I would have a much easier time, but sadly I do not. Anyways, that was Castlevania by Konami, and if I could play this with a controller on the NES with, where it's supposed to be, or in the correct speed, I'm sure I would have done better, but thank you.